afternoon. This is my second time to stand on this stage. The first was last May. It was the first time I did my testimonial. The first word that I said, which I will repeat again, is I'm truly grateful to God. I'm truly grateful to God because I was not able to walk last year. I experienced using a wheelchair, a cane. I have my doctor's diagnosis that I can no longer go back to my normal activity, just like climbing that stair. I cannot do that. So, I'll make it just a brief story for you. So, I was diagnosed with my lower back. I had an accident. My L3, L4 has a space. My L4, L5 is misaligned. So, the doctor says, surgery is not an option. So, I prayed. That's why I said, I am grateful to God. I'm grateful to God because I prayed hard for me to be healed again, to be able to be normal, to enjoy life with my family, with my friends. So, God is a great God. My upline, Ms. Techi Jeko, who resides in Germany, introduced this machine to me. And Coach Jose Giroy also guided me. So now you see me standing before you looking normal. At last July 26, I had an accident again. So I slid again. This time it hit my tailbone. So I was not able to walk. I was crying. I thought I won't be able to walk again. But then I asked God for a miracle. And then my sister remembered, she asked the machine. So I stepped on it. So after 24 hours, I was able to walk again. Thank you. Thank you, Holy Life. I am a great believer because of my first accident. But with my second accident, and standing here now from July 26, carrying my luggage, going up the stairs. Second day, I was able to climb. Third day, I was able to drive again. So honestly, I am not a networker. It's my first time. One of the couples says, I started using OliLife August of last year. I'm just a user. But because I was able to be healed, my friends, who should I acknowledge? Miss Arlene Along David, Mr. Jonathan David, and Miss Helen Castillo and Rick Lynching, they all saw how difficult my life was last year. So they all got the machine. I'm just lucky because I really do not do the formal demo, but because of what happened to me, they believed, and they too, their family, my relatives abroad, our friends, they all now believe in OliLife. There's a lot of stories, healing stories, that my friends also, my relatives experience. So I would like to thank, of course, our Philippine Ambassador, Ma'am Sunanda and Sir Bernard, because they were always there to support me whenever I ask. So thank you very much. I hope we spread the word of healing, because I thought it's impossible for me to go back to my normal lifestyle, but because of God sending me OliLife, now I am standing here in front of you. OliLife, #1. Thank you.